Alright guys, got a couple packs out of the vending machine in the grocery store. So we're gonna rip them. Whiskey this time. I think we're gonna do shots for no hit because I expect to get cooked today. And it's Saturday, so let's do it. Let's do Journey together first. Whooper. This guy. Welmer. Zorua. A Building. Corviknight. Bayonet. Metagross. Noivern. And ooh, Observation. Nice. We'll take that. Don't worry guys, if we go 2 for 2, I'm still ripping a shot, so. Destin Rivals. If we go 2 for 2, I'll do 2 shots for the 2 hits. Skarmory. Smoliv. Torchic. Rotom. Starmie. Hippo. Ogerpon. Ooh, Growlithe, I like that card a lot actually. Electabuzz and Annihilate. I actually like that card too. Rinsed. Cheers. Happy Mother's Day, everyone.